Hello viewers, here is another infamous Lasko box fan. This is a model I don't know. It's either the 3733 or that B2010706542, whatever the number is. This was one of two fans I got for free. It was in the same trash pile as that one was. Now that one turned out to not work, even though it was in very nice cosmetic condition. This one is in pretty reasonable cosmetic condition as well. The only thing outrageous about it is what they did with the cord. I really cannot fathom what in the world would possess somebody to do this. I mean, the amount of time it must have taken to do this, and the fact that the plug really doesn't fit under the handle. This was an absurd thing to do. I don't think I've ever seen this before. Outrageous. That was outrageous. Okay. Now the cord has been freed up. Let's see if this works. It's currently on 1. I'm going to switch it to 0. And I'm going to plug it up. Actually, I'll plug it up over here. Okay, it's plugged up. Oh, looks like it's going to work. There's low. It's shaking like pretty much all of these do. 2. And 3. And that's fixing to go over. But it runs. There's really nothing wrong with it. It's not even that dirty. Well, here we go. Another instance of I don't understand why somebody would throw this out. Yeah, I don't know. There's really nothing wrong with it. Okay, well that's that. Thank you for watching.